Hello everybody, Mr. Birch here with the Achieve 3000 tutorial video. This video will truly show you how to achieve. It shows you all the ins and outs of Achieve and also shows you how to do your very best when you're working for the Immokalee Foundation. Step 1. Step 1 is simple. All you need to do is go to achieve3000.com. And then when you get to achieve3000.com, you're going to go up here and you're going to click on the login button. Step 2. In step 2, you're going to log into Achieve. After you click the login button, what you're going to do is you're going to put in your username and password. Your username, if you don't know your username, you can always ask your teacher at any time. Your password will always be your student number. If your passwords or anything don't work, make sure you let your teachers know immediately so they can assist you. Step 3. In step 3, once you get logged in successfully, you'll get taken to the Achieve 3000 homepage. On the Achieve 3000 homepage, you can use these right and left arrows to scroll through articles. You can pick whatever article you want. When you're ready to select a lesson, go to the one that you want to pick. On your screen it'll say Start, but on my screen it says View Lesson. Step 4. When you click on the lesson that you would like to do after you click Start, you will get taken to this page. On this page you will see that there are a bunch of tabs at the top of the screen. There are only 4 tabs that you need to learn about in Achieve, or 4 that you really need to worry about. We have the article, activity, stretch article, and stretch activity. Now I'll mention this at the end, but inside of everyone's Microsoft team there is a PDF document called Achieve Instructions that will remind you of which ones are important. But for step 4, you're going to click on the article, and it will take you to the article you need to read. Step 5. In step 5, what you do is after you clicked on the article tab, you're going to go through and you're going to read the article. Now sometimes you may get a second page, so make sure you're careful about that. A lot of times the second page is really just extra information that might help you out. But usually the important information is on page 1. When you get done reading the article, it's very, very important that you go down here to this box that says Take Notes. Under Take Notes, you are going to write a 2-sentence summary about what you read. Okay. The reason why you're doing this is because it's important for you to understand exactly what was being talked about, and it's very important for you to interact with the reading that you do. So what you do is after you write your 2-sentence summary, you press Submit. And what this does is you press Submit and it sends it to me, it sends it to my account. But it also saves it for you for the future, and I'll show you why that's valuable here in just a second. Step 6. Once you're done reading and writing the summary in the bottom right, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Activity tab. The Activity tab gives you questions about the article that you just read. What's really nice is that your notes are here from before. Your notes and your summary are right there, which is really nice. Our goal in the Immokalee Foundation is to always score a 75 or higher on the first try, on the very first try. Very important for you to do that. Now in order to make yourself more successful, this button right here is extremely valuable. This says Refer to Article. I always tell students, Achieve 3000 is not a pop quiz unless you make it into one. So if you're having trouble with a question, you can look back in the article while you're answering the questions. And this is a very valuable skill to help you get high scores on Achieve. Step 7. Once you are complete with your activity, you will receive a score. That score should be written down on your Achieve scoring table that I provided to the teachers and to the Immokalee Foundation. After you document your first try score on the regular activity, then you're going to go up in the corner and you're going to click Stretch Activity. So this is our third out of our fourth box. Now it takes you to the stretch. The stretch is a higher level version of the same article you read first. So the first one might have been a little bit easier, but the stretch article is on the one of the highest reading levels that there is. So it's going to be a little bit more challenging of a read. But it's important to do this because it exposes you to new vocabulary and new types of sentence structures that will help you be a better reader. But even though the stretch is a more difficult read, a lot of times it is a quicker read because you already did questions and an article before and it's the same topic. So a lot of times it's a lot faster of a read because you already have background knowledge. Step 8. In Step 8, after you've finished the stretch article, you're going to go up top and click on Stretch Activity. Stretch Activity is just like the first activity you did. You still have access to your notes that you've been taking, and you still have this valuable button that says Refer to Article. And though the questions are oftentimes more challenging and the article is more challenging, the still expected result is 75 or higher on this. 75 or higher is crucial to showing that you are giving your best effort on Achieve, and also crucial to potentially winning prizes for your success at Achieve. Step 9. Last one, I promise. Remember, once you're done with the stretch activity, it is very important to document your scores on the sheet that was provided by your teachers or from the Immokalee Foundation. So make sure you're doing that, and remember, 75 or higher on the first try, and always keep track of your scores. If you ever have any questions about how Achieve works, ask a teacher, or if you go into your team on Microsoft Teams, there will be an Achieve Instructions PDF that you can review and look at, or you can go back and watch this video anytime under Microsoft Teams. Thank you all for your time, and I appreciate you listening. Mr. Birch.